It is considered an offense by law to let any of these plants grow outside in your garden according to Act 1959. Number 1. Spear Thistle. Cirsium vulgar. The spear thistle is a species of the Asteraceae genus Cirsium, native throughout most of Europe, Western Asia, and northwestern Africa. This enticing plant is considered to be highly invasive and poses a significant threat to other native UK species. Number 2. Common Ranwort. Jacobea vulgaris is a very common wildflower in the family Asteraceae that is native to northern Eurasia, usually in dry, open places, and has also been widely distributed as a weed elsewhere. While the yellow flowers may look inviting, this beauty of a weed is actually poisonous to most mammals. Number 3. Broad-leaved dock. Rumex obtusifolius, commonly known as broad-leaved dock, is a perennial plant in the family Polygonaceae. It is native to Europe, but is found on all temperate continents. This green, leafy plant is highly invasive and will harbor several different types of unwanted garden pests. Broad-leaved dock can grow in all soil types, with no climatic limitation, to stop this plant growing across the country. Number 4. Curly dock Rumex crispus. The curly dock is a perennial flowering plant in the family Polygonaceae, native to Europe and Western Asia. Known as a flexible weed, the curled dock plant will outcompete most native species. Curled dock and broad-leaved dock are both covered by the Weeds Act, 1959. Number 5. Japanese knotweed. Raynautria japonica is a species of herbaceous perennial plant in the knotweed and buckwheat family Polygonaceae. Common names include Japanese knotweed and Asian knotweed. It is native to East Asia in Japan, China and Korea. This invasive plant can grow almost anywhere, causing significant issues to homeowners once it spreads throughout the garden. Japanese knotweed can take years to eradicate completely and can cost upwards of £10,000 to be professionally removed. Number 6. Rhododendron ponticum, called common rhododendron or pontic rhododendron, is a species of rhododendron native to the Iberian Peninsula in southwest Europe and the Caucasus region in northern West Asia. Though the small purple flowers may be deceptive, this widespread, tall plant is considered problematic for several reasons. Not only can it grow to a considerable height, but it will block sunlight for competing plants while doing so. Eradication costs the UK millions every year, and is no easy feat to get rid of for good. Number 7. Himalayan Balsam. Impatiens glandulifera. Himalayan balsam is a large annual plant native to the Himalayas. This intrusive species can be easily spread by animals, wind and rivers, making it hard to stop when it begins to grow. Around 800 seeds can be found on each plant, leaving plenty of opportunity for this ripe seed pods to shoot up to 22 feet away from its original site. Number 8. Giant hogweed. Heracleum mantegasianum, commonly known as giant hogweed, is a monocarpic perennial herbaceous plant in the carrot family Apiaceae. This uniquely shaped weed is filled with a powerful chemical known as furanocoumarins, which can cause significant injury when the sap touches human skin. A burning sensation and permanent scarring makes this very dangerous to passers-by and is strictly controlled for this reason. Number 9. New Zealand pygmyweed. Crassulahelm C., known as swamp stonecrop or New Zealand pygmyweed, is an aquatic or semi-terrestrial species of succulent plant in the family Crassulaceae. This invasive weed is known to kill any native species in its path, posing a considerable threat to your garden and surrounding land. Sales of this plant have been banned since 2014 in the UK in order to control the rapid spread. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.